much time.
Here, right now.
Oh my God!
Too much money.
It is the most expensive grilled cheese that's ever been near this place. $350.
Not enough sets.
We gotta film an infomercial, right?
I know it looks evil, but it's not.
It was so good. Controlling the whims of a madman. Fantasy Factory, next on Extreme. Extreme.com has scanned the globe for the best events and competitions and brought them all together in one place for your viewing pleasure. Welcome to the vlog. Relive the greatest moments from the ASP Tour to the X Games. It's the creme de la creme, and you can get a fix twice a day, every day on weekdays, and all morning on weekends. Action sports coverage just got a brand new home. The Extreme.com vlog on Extreme.
Right now at Homebase, there's 3 for 2 on all Dulux coloured paint and glass. A little inspiration goes a long way at Homebase.
Careful.
So, when are you going to sort this lawn out?
I tried, but it didn't work.
You tried it.
New Miracle Grow Patch Magic, a unique 3-in-1 mix of seed, feed and absorbent growing material that expands when watered to protect the seed, so you grow thicker grass than ordinary seed.
Looking good.
Told you I'd sort it.
Wonder what else I could work on it.
I'm Tori. I'm doing laser eye surgery tomorrow with Optimax. I'm really excited. I'm quite confident, but I guess I'll see how it goes in the morning. So today's the day. Wish me luck, because I'm already noticing a difference to my vision. It's just fantastic.
Have laser eye surgery from $395 and pay nothing till 2012, then take 2 years.
And you think you dropped us?
This is how life should be. I love waking up in the morning and being able to see straight away. It's so nice.
For your free information pack, call Optimax.